Hello everyone, in today's video is going to be another crochet style using only this many packs of hair. Come on in. Bye. See you later. I'm going to do a review. Alright guys, yes, I started here for a reason because the process of this took forever. So I have a separate video on it. It's posted down below if you want to see it. It is the rubber band method. And for those of you that may be aware, my hair is extremely thin, but this is my base. This is where I'm going to start. And if you're interested in how I got here, click that link below. But I'm going to get right into it. And I hope you guys are having a great day. And thanks to all those new subscribers.
Alright guys, so I have started to crochet the hair in. And I'm in this group on Facebook. And there's a lot of questions asked. How do you only use like 2 packs of hair? Well, this is how I do mine. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I put mine on. Now, I'm using 2 different kinds. I have the Lulutress in 18 inches. And this is the beach curl that I'm using, 99J. As you see, this is how this hair looks out of the pack. 18 inches long. If you crochet it in one piece, this is what you're going to look like. I don't like that because it's going to clump all together. So I'm going to show you how to get it like this and still be full. And you can only get away with using 2 packs. But I also have this by Glance. This is in 12 inches. Same color, 99J, but as you see, this one is more purplish than this one. This is more vibrant, so I'm going to save this to put across the top. But I already have some of this hair separated, and I go ahead and do this in advance. Try to do at least 10 to 15 pieces at a time. But this is 1 piece of hair. I get 3 pieces out of it. 1 strand, 3 pieces. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, this hair does not tangle that much. It's very dense. You can wet it. I use no product on this hair because it doesn't absorb it. It just sits on top, and I don't see the need for it. The only thing I will use is this. That's wig shine, and that is only once it starts to look dull. But you want to just find the middle where the hair was folded. And I'm gonna cut, and you could do this more than 1 piece. And you see those blunt ends, just like if you're scratching your Kanekalon hair. You just slightly pull. Make it uneven. And then just pull it back down. And then you can also take some pieces like this and reverse them. Like that. And then you separate. Pieces about that big. This is how you get it to stay, so it won't slip out. Like that. I probably get 4 pieces out of this one. There's another one. And this is 2 more. 4 pieces out of that one. And if you see something is not the way you like it, just fix it. And with this method, you just want to fill in all of your gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I just use a mirror to look to see what I'm doing. So I can go all the way up to here with this one. Stragglies, just throw them to the side. With that mirror again to see if I can go up. I like what his rubber band is. Now, I have never did this method before, So I don't know how it's going to be taking it out. And this is how I look on the side. It's a good way to preserve edges. And I'm used to rubber bands, even though my hair is like super thin. I'm used to it. So what I'm going to do now, just start on this side. I'll do a few pieces. And then I'm going to start on the back. Get that all filled in. Actually, I think I'm going to just finish the front. Because it's pretty late to me. It's almost 10. Well, I like at least have the front now, just in case I have to run out. You just want to go in like right there where you have like some space. Start to fill it in just like I did on the other side. And I thought I was filming it, but the memory card filled up, so I had to get a new one. And it gives you a little bit of a depth, you know, layers already as well. So I'm just going to continue. I'm going to fill all of this in, maybe to right, I don't know. I'll just probably do these two here. Well, these three. And then I will go with this 12-inch. There we go. And that's what you'll get. Alright guys, the curls are significantly different. But you do not have to cut this one. It splits flawlessly. I'm doing 3. I really could do 2. But I want to go small because it looks better in the top. Smaller you have them. And I just find whatever is automatically folded. Try to get it right there. Cover as much as the rubber band as possible. Still doing 4. And what I will do, just to make sure the curls are mixed, is still come in with some of the other ones. And I'm going to just kind of sporadically stick them in there. Just to fill it in. And on some of these, like I said, you may not be able to get 3, you can get 2. Like on that one. Get 3 pieces out of that one. Still use your mirror just to kind of see. We need to put one up there because I can't see. And I go through the hair instead of underneath it on some. But I'll show you what I'm talking about with the mixing of the hair. But this is the glance. Kind of a thin piece. Put a piece of your Lulutress in there with it. Still got all this left. Oops. That's my first bag of Lulutress. And I have all this left from Glance. Well, all this left from Glance. And it just fell on the floor. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, I pretty much made my way to the top. Could have been finished, but I have a feverish baby, so I have to tend to her every so often. Even though she You hear her. Little girl's invincible. Had a fever of 101.6. About 2 hours ago, I give her Motrin. Pray it's not the flu bug. So gotta watch her really closely. It's down to 99.5, I think, right now. It's scary when they're that little and they are running a fever. Can't really tell you what's going on. I'm just filling in the small pieces here. I'm still using the pieces about this big. And I'm just switching between Lulutress and Glance. Still have quite a bit of hair left. I want to show you what I have left. Alright guys, it is the next day because it was late last night and I just threw this up in a pineapple and I slept. I just want to show you the amount of hair I have left. See, all the back in its glory.
Yeah, I just got tired, so I had to stop yesterday and tend to my baby for the rest of the day, but this is my part so far. I did fill it in with just smaller pieces, and this is the back. There were a few gaps that I did fill in back there just to be able to pull up in a ponytail, but this is how it looks so far. And I practically finished putting all the hair in up until this point. I still had to fill in some spaces, and I'm just shaping it up with scissors to shape my face. This part you just want to take your time on because you can definitely botch this style if you cut off too much. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to talk more at the end and show you different styles that's coming up here in a little bit. And if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share it, put it on your playlist, and I hope it helps. See you guys at the end of this video.
This is how I wear it at night for maintenance up in a pineapple. Really cute. So I'm just going to take it down. So many different ways you can wear it. If you want to wear it this way, you can kind of cheat. Cheat and get away with wearing it like this.
And to sleek my edges down, I do have this edge booster. I actually got it as a free gift from Ebony Line, which is one of my favorite places to order hair. But you know, I love to sleek my edges down. I don't do the C's. I just try to follow my natural hairline with it, just so I can look more natural. Yeah. But guys, this is one of the best styles yet using this color. As you know, I'm a wine color lover. This hair is very, 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 very full. Very dense. Yeah, I'm just jigging. I'm going to share my sweater. I got this sweater from Shein. It's an oversized bat wing sweater, and I love it. I'm going to do a clothing haul, so if you're interested, just stay tuned for that. Even though, winter time's almost over, but, I still want to share it. But you can wear this hair in so many different styles. I love installing it like this, so you can do it that way. Um, the only flaw I have is that my edges are a little more on the sparse side, so I can't really pull it back. But I will show you that sorry about that eyes falling. I'll show you that you can do the half up, half down style. And this will look better once it kind of grows in and you get new growth, so you won't see as many spaces. Sometimes when a style is fresh, you just want to kind of let it be until you get some of that new growth to come in. So it just look more full in the front, when you have sparse hair like me up there. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this style as much as I did. As you can see, as I stated earlier, go ahead and pop that subscribe button, like, share, put it on your playlist, comment, let me know how you liked it, how you didn't like it, how I can improve on it. And hey, come on back for more because I have many more to share. See you guys in the next one. Peace.